If forcing LTE 5G doesn't work, the next step is to reset your APN settings. APN stands for Access Point Name and allows your phone to connect to Spectrum's data network. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, then Access Point Names. From there, reset to default settings. For iPhones, go to Settings, then Cellular Data Network. If needed, manually enter the APN settings with Spectrum Mobile's default APN, which is usually Internet. The final step is to update your carrier settings. On Android, dial the code 46636 to access testing menus, or look for a carrier update option in your phone's settings. On iPhones, carrier updates are usually automatic. To check, go to Settings, then General, then About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear to install it. These steps will refresh your network settings, ensuring compatibility with Spectrum Mobile's network configuration.